Hello, what's up YouTube? Ronnie Sweat Anatra, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I'm able to post very sharp photos on my Instagram and the trick and settings I use before posting those photos. So the very first thing you have to take into consideration is to save the images the best way so that you can reserve as much detail in your photos within Photoshop itself. If at all you get this wrong, it means you're going to be posting undetailed photos or photos that are going to be able to change in color when you post them on Instagram. So let me first of all show you the settings I use when I'm exporting my images within Photoshop after doing skin retouching in order to retain the detail and sharpness within the photos. So basically what I do, this is Photoshop and I'm done retouching this very image. You can see the before and after. So what I tend to do, I simply come to file and I come down to export. I come to export as. So under export as, this window is going to open and you can see, for those that have followed my tutorials, this window usually opens up, and for setting, the very first thing I tend to do, since Instagram supports rather JPEG files, I come to format and I change it to JPEG. Then I don't tamper with the image size right here. Basically what I do, I leave the scale at 100% and the quality at 100%. Then resample, I change it from bicubic automatic to bicubic sharper. So I change it to bicubic sharper, and after doing that, I leave the canvas size the way it is. Then you can add some copyright information if at all you want copyright information embedded within your image. So when it comes to color space, you have to also convert sRGB and also embed the color profile. So usually images tend to change in color when you post them on different social media platforms or different websites. So make sure you embed the color profile and also convert it to sRGB. So meaning every color grading may have applied to the image within Photoshop is going to be embedded or stuck into the image itself. So I just come and hit export, then I export the image by hitting save. So after it has been saved, this window is going to automatically close. So after saving the image out, done saving a very sharp image, we just want to post a very sharp image onto Instagram. So usually what I do when it comes to posting on Instagram, I use my computer to post on Instagram. So this helps me to retain images that are sharp and avoids compression. So I'm going to open up my Google Chrome, and you can see I'm already logged in on my Instagram. So I'm just going to come and hit plus right here, and you can select your image and you look for a location. So I saved my image on my desktop. So just come and select the image right here and simply hit open, and it's going to open right here. So in order for your image to fill up the whole screen on Instagram, just come and click on this crop icon and select 4x5, and you can see this image is going to occupy the whole screen on Instagram when someone is viewing it. So don't select square because it is going to crop your image. Come and select 4x5 right here, and it's going to be filling the whole screen of the phone of someone viewing it. So just come and simply hit next, and you can just come and hit next, and you add the caption and simply share your image. And I guarantee your image is going to be very sharp when you post it on social media or on Instagram, and you're going to be able to retain so much information or detail, and it's going to be a very sharp image without color change issues. So basically that is how I save and post very sharp images on Instagram. And if at all you have loved this, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if at all you have been watching and you're not subscribed this channel. Ronix from Ronix Photography. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in yet more amazing tutorials. And don't forget to keep practicing and also keep creating.